All right, first fish, guys. I'm up here setting the camera up. Sammy down there not paying attention. Rod about went in the water. He'd be on top of the water when he's grabbing. Alright, that's number one, Sam. Little white bass. It's about damn time. Been a while, guys, since we got a bite. Screen's lit up. There's fish all over down there. They just ain't biting good. Just like yesterday. Don't be worried. I'm gonna go ahead and click it, Sam. Don't lose it.
I'm not. It's rough. Hell, I can't swing her, Kev.
He's so big, he can't swing her.
Please be careful. Scare me, you scare me.
Good bass, city life. Ah. He ain't bending the rod back.
Or crappie.
If it's a crappie, he's gonna come to the top. Oh shoot, Sam got another one. Oh, I'm gonna click it, Sam. We ain't counting them if we catch them. We just counting them if they get on the line, because if I don't click this, mess around, go back to fishing, I'll forget to click it. That's a nice fish, Sam. Oh, that's a big girl. Very nice.
Now that's a hybrid.
It's a hybrid. See the two lines going all the way to the tail? There's a third line trying to go all the way.
Then our head's turbo.
It's fast. Why can't we get a double?
Let's do
Them damn fish just don't want to cooperate today, Sam. Why can't we get a double?
Let's do
Them damn fish just don't want to cooperate today, Sam. What color was that?
What's that color? Crawdad?
Oh, that's that orange. That's just a light orange. We got the light orange. We just put a crawdad on that one. And what? Almost a double. Ooh, little guy. Ooh, that rascal. Jump in, Sam.
Damn tarp.
Oh, we got on the fish, Sam.
Yeah.
Little white bass, guys. Good eating, good eating. Fish tacos, fish tacos. Get back. Get him, Sam. It's another good one. Good eater, good eater. Come on, double header, double header. Come on, why are these rods bending down, Sam? Fish all over the screen. He done got off, Sam?
This one? This one?
Yeah. He might have got off.
It's got that good color on it.
No, he's still there.
Now he's a butter bean of butter beans.
I had to do a half click on him. You bent that rod back good when he first hit it.
Are you shitting me?
You bent it back good. I saw that rod bend back. I was like,
Is that a little white bass? A little.
I thought it was a good one. All right, see how the line,
Yeah.
see how the lateral line don't go all the way to the tail, but the top one does?
Yeah.
That's a hybrid. Now, if you wanted to look at the tongue,
Yeah.
he's just too damn small.
Yeah.
He ain't even got a mark on the tongue yet. That's a good one, Sam. That's a good one. That's a good one. That's a good one.
Oh, what is that? Dang. God, that's all
Fish on. Fish, Sam. Pull that rascal. Swallowed it.
Bigger, Cam.
We're not counting the ones we catch. We're just counting the ones we have on. How's that? That's what do you think, Sam? Ain't that a better way to do it?
That's the way I like to do it.
That's the way I like to do it. What do you think he's doing?
Oh, live bait.
Live baiting for what?
Stripers.
Another good one? Calm down, young man. We're gonna let you go. Oh, that's nice and safe. Woo! Calm down, young man. We're gonna let you go.
Lateral line running down here. Looks like iridescent.
Goodbye, city life.
Fish on.
Fish on! Fish on! Get him, boy! Get him! Hot! Get it down! Oh, these are good fish, Sam. Woo! White bass. Woo! Click that, Sam. That's all we catch on the deadliest catch, boys and girls. Big girls, big girls, big girls. Oh! All right, so that's
Fish
wide.
on.
Where?
Right here behind you. Or something. Hung or something.
Fish on, Sam.
Fish on.
Stay all over in here, Sam. Get busy.
You
don't
got the
hurt
right.
her.
You got it on.
Yeah, I got it on. Woo! Woo! You gotta click that twice. Woo! Look at that nice one. That's a nice one, Sam. Ah, another big hydro. Hydro, hydro! Come on, man. That young.
I ain't got no claws.
Put that one out.
What color?
Goodbye, city life. Look on my chart. No, you see the trees over there? There's trees there.
Fish on.
Oh, shit, camera's still on. Little guy. Good eater. Fish taco. Taco.
How much you want this? It's 180.
Hey, no, not 180. 180. Take us half a day to reel that fish in, Sam. Fish on, fish on. They ain't in. They woke up now, guys. What? Yeah.
No bomber bait.
Hybrid. He's still on there.
Oh, he's there.
Boys and girls.
What? Fish on.
Get him, Sammy! Get him, boy! Caught! And we just put a bomber on that, didn't we?
Fish on.
I'm turning off the camera. I got the camera on. I miss out the big fish you're catching. I've got some in another box. I took the boxes out. I had the bag. I put the boxes in there. That's a nice fish, Sam. God, that's a big girl. Look at that pretty girl. Pretty girl. I mean, when they're that obvious, that's obvious. Turbo. That's obvious. See how the two lines go all the way to the tail? God almighty, that rascal, man, it's you, Sam. It's fast. Over here. I ain't got my phone. That's Steven Sullivan. He's got a trick to do. I told him where the fish were, and I can't call him because I don't have his number. Get him, Sam! Get him! My God, that's a good one. Get the net! Get the net, Sam! Get the net! That's a white bangs. Big old white bangs. Woo! That's what I'm talking about.
3 sandwiches.
Ooh, that makes 2 big old fish tacos.
Fish on.
You gonna get him? Sam. Sam, let Nettie old reel some fish in. Get the net, Sam. Get the net.
Get the gas.
Yeah, get the gas. Get the gas. Ooh, that's a good one, Sam.
Turbo tank.
Woohoo! Sorry about that, buddy.
Nothing in the damn way.
Give him a headache. I think he realized he bit the wrong hook, Sam.
Fish on.
Get him, Sam! Get him, by God! Little guy.
Barely hooked, wasn't
Ain't got it. I don't know where common sense is anymore.
What did you run way over there?
They're good, and Sammy.
It's been a damn killer fish, look.
Good. Fish on, Sam. Sam, get this fish.
Oh my God.
God, that's a good one, Sam.
I'd take anyway that's an end for it.
For what?
I mean, for Elijah.
Hey, he ain't on the boat.
I said I would.
Oh, I thought you said.
No, I would take that anyway.
Well,
that
yeah. We gotta catch him tomorrow, Sam. Look at that rascal down. That's a 5-pounder, boys and girls. What's that the other way? 5-pounder, boys and girls. Woo, big fat belly. That rascal been eating out at the KFC. Very nice. God, that's a nice fish. Woo, Lordy mercy, that rascal.
If it's gonna kill him, what we throw it in there for David? Fish on.
Alright guys, we're gonna wrap it up. We'll be in up at 40. Alright, 40 fish today, boys and girls. And we're gonna wrap it up. I'm gonna go throw the net at the bridge, see if I can't get some dollar bills for fishing with the boys in the morning. Try and get them boys on a big striper for the kids division of the Derby. So till we're out here tomorrow morning, guys. Caught a slew of fish today. No Derby fish though.